Okay, this is the Bolse wireless N300 high gain USB adapter. The box comes in. Look inside the box. What you get is instructions. Quite easy reading. There's quite a few languages in there. You also get a disc. I've got Windows 7 and I didn't need the disc at all. It actually found the device in a couple of seconds. Okay, that's the device itself. Very light, shiny black, works great. I managed to pick up a very weak signal when I was at work on my laptop, and which I'd never been able to pick up before. So it's going to be with me always now. I was able to get free Wi-Fi for a change. Very nice bit of kit. Would have been nice if it had been a little bit smaller, but it is what it is, and does the job very well. Thank you.